Make a great choice today with the 2020 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.